Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Yeah, good day. I go by the name Skyward. You've been following my video, you will know I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online. Yes, I'm still training people on how to make money online on ClickBank, and this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is already earning well on his ClickBank affiliate marketing. As you can see on the screen, these are excellent results. So the skills behind this excellent results is that I have a software which I am using for my affiliate marketing business. The software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily online and promoting your affiliate product or link to this organic traffic for you to get commission and sale. Yes, commission, I mean the percentage which you'll be giving for every product to sell on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission, which means a percentage out of the money which you sold the product. So that will be your own earning. So, and the more products you sell, the more commission you get, and the higher the price of the product, the higher the commission also. So there are many things to consider while selecting product to be promoted on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So my software is very efficient, and as you can see on the screen, these are excellent results. So to get my software and video course and start earning big like my student, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and enjoy the click of the smartphones that are making money online from home. Yes, with my software you can make thousands of dollars weekly from home, like the results you can see on the screen. These are excellent results. So my software is up for sale now, and I'm still training more people that are ready to earn and to join the click of the smartphones that are making money from home. So remember to always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big. Also, my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, it is also applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms like JVisu, Warrior Plus, and the likes. So that's one of the benefits or the beauty of the software, because you can use it on any of your affiliate marketing platform. This is affiliate marketing traffic generating software which will generate more than 2,000 organic traffic daily from digital platforms and promote your affiliate link or product to this organic traffic for you to get sale. Also, I manage accounts for my students. Also, if you want me to manage an account for you, I manage accounts for my students also. My students know that that I'm always accessible. Also, you can always contact me, ask questions. I'm always there. Also, I would like to talk about the managing of accounts. My video course is self-explanatory. I take you step by step. But if you still want me to manage your account, I manage your account, and that costs extra charge. Yes, because that's going to take my time. Also, because I have my own personal account and I'm still running many accounts to make them productive. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyway, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.